Hello everyone, I am Shivam Pasari and welcome to Asian Academy. So as you can see from the title of this video, in this video we'll solve another question on the topic of logarithms, and the question has appeared in the CAT 2018 exam. Now the question is as follows: if x is a positive quantity such that 2 raised power x is equal to 3 raised power log 2 base 5, then x is equal to. Now we are provided 4 options for this question. Option A, 1 plus log 5 by 3 base 3. Option B, log 9 base 5. Option C, log 8 base 5. And option D, 1 plus log 3 by 5 base 5. So this was our question, and I would like you to try this question first by yourself and then come to this video for the solution. I hope that you've tried the question and you've got the solution, and if you didn't, then let's check the solution. So according to our given question, we are given that 2 raised power x is equal to 3 raised power log 2 base 5, and we have to find the value of x. Now, in order to solve this question, we have to take log on both the sides. So if we have an equation like a raised power b is equal to 3 raised power d, and if we take log on both sides, then we can simply say that it is equivalent as b log a is equal to d log c. So applying this very formula on our given equation, we will get that x log 2 is equal to log 2 base 5 into log 3. Now over here, you will see that we have not mentioned the basis of log 2 and log 3. So if we have not mentioned the basis, we can simply take it as base 10. So we have got log 2 base 10 and log 3 base 10. Now log 2 base 5 can be written as log 2 base 10 whole divided by log 5 base 10. Now we have used the formula of log b by base c, which is equivalent as log b by log c, and we can take any common base. Now, since we have taken base 10 on both LHS and RHS, that's why we have taken base 10 over here as well. So our equation will become x log 2 is equal to log 2 by log 5 into log 3. Now, this log 2 will be cancelled from both LHS and RHS, and we can say that x is equal to log 3 by log 5. Now, we know that log a by b is simply equal to log a base b. So we have got the value of x as log 3 base 5. So this is the value of x that we have got, but according to our given options, none of them match with it. Now, if we deduce option number D, 1 plus log 3 by 5 base 5, then it will simply come as log 3 by 5. So, according to our given option, it is option number D, 1 plus log 3 by 5 base 5. That was all for this video, and I hope that you understood all the topics covered in this video. And if you have any doubt, then you can post your doubts down in the comment section, or you can send your doubts to us to our channel's official Instagram or Facebook page, and we will surely solve your doubt as soon as possible. Or you can go to the official website of Asian Academy and you can send your doubts to us from there, and all the links are provided down in the description. And if you did like the video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel Asian Academy.
Oh,